For me, my question to policemen is only one. When will you people trend for doing good things? When? Must you trend for doing bad things only? Must you be promoted after killing someone? Must you be promoted after beating someone? When will you people trend for serving your country well? When? There's only one traffic officer who's always around Akasha Mall there. I don't know he's called who that man. He works so hard. Even if it is raining, you see that man is working, and he's the only traffic officer whom they respect in that Kampala. The rest are all Garcia. When will you people trend for working well, for serving the country and protecting the life of your people? When? And who told you that the only way you can get promoted is by killing someone? When? You are the same people who have made the government to think that in Uganda we have to be with the stores of guns, not stores of food. Agamazima. Katilabakano. And let me tell you people, my fellow Northerners and Easterners, never make a mistake and someone use you to kill an element of change. Just know that is shege. Really shege. Why is it that it is not their people who are being used to beat political activists? Why is it that they are using you? Temuna bachitegera. When you rejected him in the first place when he was just coming, he went and killed your people. And now here is someone who has come trying to remove him. He's again using you to beat and kill these people. Muzukuke. This is a call of waking up. If at all along you have been sitting on your ears, can you stand up and listen to me? Please. You are the same people that your children are studying in bad schools. You are the same people. The salary reads other things. The bank slip reads other things. The same you. Muzukuke. It is too much. Don't be too blind that what a kid of 1 year sees, you who's old, you can't see. Please. And remember, any fight for liberation is always God ordained. I'm still teaching, they don't care you. Because I'm seeing they're using you too much. Please. You are the same people, you only reach a town area during election. If it is not election time, you are being deployed in Karamoja, Abim, in the villages there, to suffer. Please. You are the same people who is being promoted when you are at your 50, while they promote their own at just 30 years. Please. If you still remember the years that Okukuza got that title of IGP, open your eyes. If at all you can't see, can you use spectacles? Wear glasses. Mulekerao. Mulekerao. It beats me. It baffles me for seeing my people are being used to torture those who are fighting for them. Please. You are the same person who's coming from a district where there is even, health, Simani local center too. Simani health center too. Mwe. These people came when we had schools that were powerful, that even other Kenyans could come in our region to study. But nowadays again, our people are going Busimani in Western to study. Can you open your eyes, please? Police. I'm seeing you are behaving as if there's anyone that is your father who's in that position of president. Please, can you behave? Nonsense.